First of all, we take out the two bottom pentalobe screws. Once that's done, we open up the screen and undo the 4 screws holding down the LCD connector shield. Unplug all 3 connectors for the home button, proximity and touchscreen. And then what we do is start undoing the screws at the top for the earpiece on the actual LCD. Once the shield is removed, set it aside and continue to just unscrew those screws around the top. There should be 4 in total. Once that's done, you can start to peel away the existing microphone that's on there, just being careful not to tear it. Once that's removed, we move on to our side screws. Now there's 3 on each side. They are all the same size, so it doesn't matter if those get mixed up with each other because they are the same. Now once those are done, we then go down to our home button. So there's 3 screws. Keep these ones in order. Carefully peel out the home button, being careful not to tear the cable in the process. And then just remove the 2 bits of tape holding the shield to the LCD. Once that's done, take that off, set that aside, and now you're ready to build up on the new LCD. Make sure you get it the right way up. The shield has the black tape facing up. And just begin to put the screws in as they came out. So hold the shield in. We had 3 on each side, remember. There was 4 at the top with the camera flex, and then the 3 down at the bottom for the home button. Make sure the screws do go back in the right hole because it will scratch the colour on the front of the screen, which you don't want to do. Once the top front camera flex and earpiece is fitted, move on to the home button, making sure that that's aligned well. And same again, make sure the correct screws go in the right holes. Once that's done, that's now our screen built up, ready to go. Connect the screen back to the board. And this is very important, make sure the screws again go in the right place. You don't want to be causing long screw damage. Once all 4 of those are done, you can snack it back in, close it up and replace the 2 bottom pentalobe screws.